Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make this transparent PNG file for Amazon. So the requirements are, we need a file of transparent PNG file of 15 inch into 18 inch and background should be transparent and it should be 300 dpi. Okay, so I will make this file in Adobe Illustrator so you can follow the steps. First of all you have to do is create a new document and then enter the dimensions. Width should be 15 inch and height 18 inch, and make sure it would be RGB and 300 ppi, and then OK. So this is the exact size. So if you have already a design and you need to make a transparent PNG file of the dimensions 4500 into 5400, so you have to suppose this is the design I have and I want to make a transparent PNG file of this design. So I copied this design and place it over here. So I will make it in the center of the page, center from where both sides from center from both sides. So I will make it bigger like that. So the design should not go out of this dimensions, or it should not be like this. This is the wrong placement. The design should be at least 1 inch margin. There should be 1 inch margin so that it won't go on the edges. And now the design is in the center of the page, but for the t-shirt designs we will make it like a bit above. So the design should start from here. If I made it in the center, then design will place it like this, which is wrong placement. So I make it over here, and now I will make the transparent PNG file. Go to file, click on export PNG. You have to select PNG and use artboard. You have to click on use artboard and then click on export. Now check these options. Your options should be same like these. It should be high, top, type optimized, hinted, and this should not be ticked. This should be unchecked, and background color should be transparent. Then click on OK. So now it is making the transparent PNG file. So this is the file we make it now, and you can check the dimensions from here that it is now 4500 into 5400 pixels. So this is the file you can upload to your Amazon account. The coming videos I will show you how to make these designs, t-shirt designs for Amazon. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel. Thank you.